Alright, what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to create, or I guess download and install the Siren setting limit adjuster for FiveM on Grand Theft Auto 5. So first and foremost, all you got to do is Google Siren setting limit adjuster right there. You'll get these two options. This is a newer version. I found that it works well pretty much for all cars at this point. And then there's the 2024 version that works well for about 90% of cars. So you can choose which one you want to use. For people in our server, we recommend using this one. It's the most recent download that we've been having for people. And then, so download it. You'll have it here. This is the file. This is what it'll look like. It'll say Siren setting limit adjuster. .asi. You have two options to move forward from here. You can come into FiveM, and sometimes you'll be able to pull this up and go, show file location. Some people aren't able to do that, so we're going to do it this way. So come down to your search bar, use the percentage sign, capital A, PP, DATA. Percent sign, open the app data, then you're going to go up here to app data, local, find wherever FiveM is, then you're going to open FiveM app data, then you're going to open plugins. So this is where if you have all of your NVE or graphic settings or anything like that, that's where this is going to be. So I have all my NVE stuff. I have some presets for reshade. And then here's my Siren setting limit adjuster. So what you're going to do is you'll bring your download. You'll drag your download over. And that's it. You just installed the Siren setting limit adjuster. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them. You just learned how to put in the Siren setting limit adjuster plugin. Hope that helped. It's a short video. Have a great day, guys.